Jamaican patois, the language spoken in Jamaica. What are you doing here? What you do, ya? It is mine. After me. Where are you going? Where you go? Why did you call me? What you call me for? Come back here. Come back here, so. Look here. Look here.
So hi, hello everyone. I hope that you are all doing well. So guys, I've come across this video and I was very shocked. I even thought that it was AI. There's this Japanese who are speaking like patois language, like, you know, they're speaking like Jamaican. So when first time I watched this video, I was thinking like, you know, it is AI thing, but when I did a research, I saw that like even Japanese, I thought that it was African and other, even Japanese are really obsessed with Jamaica. So guys, watch this video till the end. I'll be back with some comment, we'll be discussing and we'll know what happened. So guys, watch this video till the end. I'll be back with some comment.
No white girl from Jamaica talks like that, y'all. How do I know? And him say him know few. But me and a them and a me. That are the thing. Me want to deliver patois anyhow me want to deliver. So if you wanna like me way of delivering the great patois, that's none of my problems. None of my problems that, you know, go somewhere where you satisfy yourself or your ears. Cause none of my problem that. None of my problem that. Me no business.
You know, put sit there on it. Now we put some soap on it and wrap it around and dirt. You know, go burn up if you do that. It pot come out shine. So me go shop and sit and come back and go share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away and stand up here and shift it back between and to any bag. Every and now enough me after.
Wassy, no people in Wassy.
I'm tired.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl people wanna be asked about. I say, oh, she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give me a look at your language. And people know your features.
My language is patois and English. That is my first language.
The people always ask me about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people them so where you born and grew.
I born and grew up Portland. I was raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weiß ich auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know. Can climb tree or far. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? I'm a apple tree, Miss Yara. Who you put on top of apple tree? That's how the backside in I go.
You say you're fine? You say you're fine?
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask him. I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe... Oh. Sorry, getting a call here. 1 sec.
Okay.
Hey, dirty girl. I'm not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there work. Y'all go suck your mother pussy clot. And mommy don't give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when I come home. Sure. Sorry about that. My wife.
No!
I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal, you know?
Seriously, I was teaching them languages.
Anywho, you were saying?
I don't know, I don't remember. good.
I am born.
Are you born?
Yeah, man, that's what I'm man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accents lock plug to yourself.
But they're on the right people. Them.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there.
I am born.
Alright, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name IQ.
Where are you from?
Osaka Banang Road.
And where's your second home? Where's your second home?
Jamaica Kingston.
Okay.
Early 2004 or 5, first time in Jamaica. My English teacher is a Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Where in Jamaica was he from?
Montego Bay.
And how was your first
Montego
experience in Jamaica?
Bay. It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny.
Yeah.
And food is nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and pum pum is tight. You don't know.
I think we can end the interview right now. I think that would
Sounds good. Show us.
Your English is really, really good.
No, sir. My English is dirty. It's not the English, you know, patois, you know.
And my age is 141 years old now.
You are 141 years old?
Right now.
How long have you been a herbalist?
From 1977.
So is your medicine make you live so long?
I mean, I have no sugar. I mean, I have no pressure. I mean, I have no heart attack. I mean, I have no pain. I know me farm. I do everything said.
How long did it take you to perfect your formula?
Well, I work with the moon. And the moon is that give you like when the moon is kind of full and the new moon, you try to prepare your herbs. And before the moon full, then you will boil your herbs. So I do soak my herbs. And after soaking them, then I throw them off and prepare them, put them into the bottle and so forth. So I work with humanity. I'm a healer through the power of the Most High. So I heal through the herbs and water. So no matter what the problem you have, there's something in the herbs for you. Because the Most High said, every leaves of the tree are healing of the nation. We must attain ourselves to the herbs, and the herb will heal us.
Lipstick on. Oh. Terrace clot. Bomber clot. Me I idiot, girl. That's better.
So welcome back. So guys, you know, I've been telling you many times, like, the world is obsessed with this Caribbean island called Jamaica. So you have seen it for yourself. Even the Japanese are speaking the Patois language. You know, they are vibing to the Jamaican accent. You know, everybody like wants to be associated with this big brand called Jamaican, guys. I was really shocked. I've told you earlier that I thought that it was AI. You know, the AI things nowadays does a lot of things. So I thought it was AI, and I did some research, and I found out that these Japanese are really speaking in the Patois language, in Jamaican accent. So, you know, guys, you all know that reggae originated from Jamaica, you know, and Bob Marley was the one that make the reggae music famous. So during the 1980s, I think that when the reggae started hitting, the music, the reggae, when it got hit, got famous, got a lot of streams, it went viral. Even then, it spread like to the whole universe, even went to Japan. So what I think is like the Japanese started vibing to the reggae music. You know, the reggae music had vibes, the beats are very cool, you know, the message is very clean and very evident, and it's very good to the people. So the Japanese started vibing, and they started like doing their research. They want to know like this reggae music, this is a good song, and they started vibing. They started like doing research. They started like downloading different version of the reggae music. So during that period, during the vibing stuff and the research, I think the Japanese fell in love with Jamaica. They became obsessed. Like they started like practicing speaking the Patois language, you know, like started like maybe it started like some few people like doing jokes like speaking it, and it went viral. Like the Japanese started feeling the vibe of the accent. So guys, you have seen in those videos like Japanese are speaking fluent Jamaican accent. They are speaking the patois language, and they are speaking very good. Some were born there, and some, you know, during the reggae, when the reggae hits, you know, some decided that we must visit Jamaica, we must see this Jamaican, how it looks, we must visit Jamaica, and we can attend some concert of the famous reggae artists. But what happened is that they stuck in Jamaica. You know Jamaican has good vibes, good people. Even our researchers said that Jamaican has the best people. Like they know how to welcome people, they can offer good hostility. So these Japanese, when they decided that we'll be going to Jamaica, we'll be going to visit the Jamaican and do some research. So when they reach Jamaican, you know, I've always been telling you guys that going to Jamaica is very easy, but coming out is very hard. So I think when these Japanese entered Jamaica, like they liked the place. You know Jamaican has the best dishes. First of all, let's start. You know Jamaican has the best dishes. So when this Japanese settled there, you know, first thing guys, no one hates eating, if you can agree that everyone likes eating. So when they were given these Jamaican dishes, they were like, this food is very sweet. I don't think I will leave. I don't think I will be going back to Jamaica. So the first thing they enjoyed the Jamaican meal, but they started interacting with Jamaican people. You know, when you start interacting with people from another country, you like to know more about them. So you know Jamaican is being known for good vibes. So the Jamaican people are there giving them good vibes, giving them different story, giving them their story. So this Japanese fell in love with Jamaica, and they started like copying Jamaican culture, you know, vibing to Jamaican culture. They even started like wearing like Jamaican and dancing and perform and attending some concert in the Jamaica. So you have seen that some are born in Jamaican, but some are like visited who stuck in Jamaican and they really enjoyed Jamaica. So guys, that is an evidence. I've been telling you that the world is obsessed with Jamaica. Even me myself, I was shocked because even Japanese itself, it's been obsessed with Jamaica. So Jamaican is a very good place, and many people are really obsessed with Jamaica. You know, Jamaican has really changed this world. Like it has provided this world with many things. Like even when you start listing them, you cannot finish. The best dishes, the fastest man in the world. It has good leaders. What I love about Jamaica is that it always supports Africa. So guys, if it is for your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. For the returning ones, guys, I want to appreciate you. Salute to you for making me achieve this good thing. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here, and I want to appreciate you because I've seen some progress in my account. So guys, let's meet in the next video. One love, take care guys, and all will be well.